What y'all know about this sweet Hawaiian roll cheesy bread? Man, this is something my wife put together, but it is crazy. First of all, we're gonna slice this down the center. You already know, man. Get this thing sliced real good. Then we're gonna open it up. We're gonna open them up and we're gonna fill it up with a little bit of that mozzarella cheese. This is great for like a football game. You know, the guys coming over, just something real quick. I'm gonna put some garlic parm in here with this butter, drop some parsley in, with a little bit of that sliced minced garlic. Then we just gonna paint on that butter, man. Yeah, paint on that butter, man. And look at that right there. It's already looking good. We ain't even cooked it. Then I'm gonna put it in there for about 15 minutes. Bro, and when I pulled it out, it was just crazy. I had all the night notes, man, the sweet and the cheesy and everything. And it was doing what it's supposed to do. Anyway, if you like this type of content, like, comment, and subscribe. And tell me what y'all know about these garlic Parmesan potato wedges. These right here, man, are all over TikTok, all over the internet, and I had to see what I'm about, man. They were super crispy and definitely something special. But anyway, man, we sliced these potatoes right down the center. I gave it a couple slices right down the middle. Man, got them all right. This is super easy. Drop the butter in, put in my Parmesan. I ended up following up with my minced garlic, my garlic Parmesan seasoning, and then you just mix it around, man. You create this paste kind of thing, and you just mix it all the way around, and then you flat them potatoes flat down, and I put it in there at 350 degrees, put a little bit of olive oil over the top, and look at that, crispy as can be. It was quick for the kids. You know, we got to stop taking them out every night. You know, this is something special, something easy you can make real quick. You ain't even got to really think about it. But anyway, if you like this type of content, like, comment, and subscribe, and tell me.
I'm gonna show you how to make the best chicken Alfredo garlic bread of your life. Seriously, let's get into it. First, I'm gonna put in my olive oil, then I'm gonna drop in my chicken. I'm gonna use my garlic onion powder from McCormick's. I'm gonna follow up with my ranch powder. Drop in this bacon. I know it looks burnt, but we're gonna drop in that butter. It's really gonna add some character. We're gonna drop in some heavy cream. I'm gonna just dice up this Romano here. We're gonna get it right here in our Alfredo mix and get that Alfredo mix reduced. Then we're gonna put our butter on our French bread. Then we're gonna follow up with that Alfredo over the top of it. Then we're gonna put some more parm over there, drop our bacon, our chicken, little bit of parsley for the look, and then we just gonna pop that in the oven until that cheese is melted. And man, my wife loved it, I love it, kids love it, and it's what's for dinner. Check me out. If you want to impress your friends for breakfast, this is the breakfast you make. First, we're going to put our cream cheese in there. We're going to drop our sugar with a little bit of milk. We're going to get it mixed up. Then we're going to get it inside of this bag. We're going to dice and slice each one of these rolls. And it's going to get a little messy, but hang in there. We're going to put the cream cheese in each one of these slits. Then we're going to drop in 2 eggs with some garlic, Parmesan, and 2 more eggs. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna kind of coat each one of these rolls in this garlic parm mixture. And then we're gonna drop our Parmesan cheese over the top, bake it until golden brown, and trust me, this thing right here makes me rethink how I've eaten garlic bread my entire life. Check me out, y'all. If you're looking for the perfect recipe for the Super Bowl, this is it. Orange pepper wings. First, I'm gonna add my lemon juice, drop in my wings. Then I'm gonna drop in my Worcestershire. I'm gonna squeeze a few oranges in here. Use the orange pepper sauce, a little baking powder, and some pepper. Then I'm just gonna give this a good mix, a little bit of paprika, and a little bit more orange powder, and then we're moving it around. I'm dropping this in the fryer till I get an internal temperature of 165, a little bit more orange pepper. Put that orange on there. And I'm also gonna drop in some more butter, give it a shake, and man, look at that. We ended up pairing it with a little teriyaki. My son likes teriyaki with everything, but yes, these were spectacular, like through the stratosphere good. Trust me, it will bless your Super Bowl. Get in the comments, let me know what you guys are making. Who you rooting for the Super Bowl? Check me out, y'all. Here's how to cure your hunger in 20 seconds. Look at that bite. First, we're gonna get 2 piles of cheese. I'm gonna put some leftover beef, fold that just like that, put it in a toaster, wait for it, and look at that right there. Smooth cheese, 1 bite. That's what I'm talking about.